Welcome to Sticky Sany Science. Today, we are conducting a complete visual physics simulation of one of the greatest thought experiments in modern planetary science. What would actually happen to a human body if you drilled a straight vacuum tunnel through the center of the Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole and stepped inside? Chapter 1. The Vacuum Descent. Our Stickman Sany stands at the icy North Pole launch platform. To make this thought experiment physically possible, we assumed three things. Had the tunnel as a frictionless vacuum with zero air resistance, the walls are reinforced against millions of atmospheres of pressure, and the tunnel runs along Earth's rotational axis so the Coriolis effect does not slam Sany into the walls. As Sany steps into the void, standard surface gravity accelerates him downward at 9.8 meters per second squared. Without air to create terminal velocity, every second adds nearly 35 kilometers per hour to his speed. Chapter 2. The Molten Mantle Plunge. 10 minutes into the fall, Sany plunges 2,900 kilometers deep into Earth's semi-solid silicate mantle. Here, an extraordinary law of physics called Newton's shell theorem comes into play. All the planetary mass behind him now forms a spherical shell above, pulling him upward, while only the mass beneath continues pulling him toward the center. Even though local gravitational acceleration begins to decrease, Sany is still gaining velocity at a terrifying rate. As he crosses into the liquid iron outer core, his speedometer peaks at an astonishing 28,400 kilometers per hour. Chapter 3. The Zero-G Core Paradox. 21 minutes and 6 seconds after jumping, Sany reaches the exact center of Earth's solid inner core, where temperatures exceed 6,000 degrees Celsius. At this exact midpoint, 6,371 kilometers beneath the surface, Earth's mass pulls on Sany equally in every single direction. Net gravity cancels out to absolute 0.0 Gs. For a brief fraction of a second, Sany floats in complete, effortless weightlessness. However, he does not stop. His colossal momentum carries him past the center at nearly 8 kilometers every single second. Chapter 4. Deceleration to the South Pole. The moment Sany shoots past the core, the physics completely reverses. Earth's mass is now behind him, which means gravity acts as a relentless gravitational brake, slowing his ascent. Just like a roller coaster ascending a colossal hill, kinetic energy transforms back into gravitational potential energy. His speed drops from 28,000 kilometers per hour down to a gentle crawl as he approaches the southern ice sheet. Exactly 42 minutes and 12 seconds after stepping off the North Pole platform, Sany emerges at the South Pole surface at precisely 0 kilometers per hour. Chapter 5. The Infinite Cosmic Oscillation. Here lies the final paradox. If nobody grabs Sany's hand the exact second he reaches the surface, gravity instantly begins pulling him back down the tunnel. He will fall all the way back to the North Pole, repeating the exact same 42-minute round trip forever in eternal simple harmonic motion. Without friction, Sany becomes an eternal human pendulum oscillating through the heart of our planet. Subscribe to Sticky Sany Science for daily deep dive visual physics simulations.